Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this video, we are not going to talk about anything technical. I will just tell you about the things which I have achieved today. Today we have completed our 1000 subscriber on the YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel from last 2 years. I still remember when I upload the first video based upon the Oracle table spaces, and there were a lot of good responses on that video. So the people were commenting on it, and after seeing that comment, I thought why not to upload more videos based upon the technology. So I started gradually uploading technologies video. So I started with Oracle database, SQL, Hadoop, cloud. So if you observe the YouTube channel, you will find that there are around 120 plus videos are there based upon the different technology. So I started this YouTube channel by having 3 things in my mind. The first thing is, whatever the knowledge which I'm having, which I'm gaining from the industry, I just thought to share this knowledge with all the people so that they will be more strong into the technical things. So this is what I have done, especially for the freshers who want to start their career as a Oracle DBA, as a Hadoop developer, as a cloud infrastructure. So there are many things that they can do by watching this video. Second thing is, early morning when I'm waking up, I need to check like what is the video that I want to upload it on the YouTube channel. So the first thing is, I need to understand the concept, I need to understand the technology, then only I can put it on the YouTube channel. So what is happening here, because of this YouTube channel only, I am trying to learn more and more things so that I can share this knowledge with you all. So this is all happening in the second point. Third thing is, we all know we can generate the revenue from the YouTube channel. Again, we have something in the background, so we need to take care of these things also. So today we have completed our 1000 subscriber, and this is all possible because of your support only. And I can see there are many mails which I'm getting from the student, from the experienced people, and they are taking my suggestions. They are appreciating the work which I'm doing it from the long time, and it is really important for them to understand the technology, because we know how the freshers are struggling to get the knowledge once, because they don't have the knowledge about the real-time industry scenarios. So I'm always focusing to put the videos based upon the real time only, and the frequently asked question into the interview. So I hope this is helping to all the student or the experienced people who want to start their career into the different technology. Next thing is, if you are looking for training in the Oracle database technology or in the Hadoop, you can really reach out to me. We are starting it with the affordable price, and we can understand how it is difficult for the freshers to gain the knowledge. So again, for training purpose, you can reach out to me. Next thing is, again, if you think that we are really doing the good work and you wish to donate something for us, you can check the description and you can share whatever the donation if you want to donate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel with the people who want to start their career into the IT industry. We have a different kind of videos on the different technologies. Again, in the future, we will try to upload more and more videos based upon the real-time scenarios and the frequently asked question into the interview. Thank you so much for your support, for your love, and I know it is helping for you guys. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, any questions, anything, just drop mail to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye for the day.